初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I need to buy some medicine.
I need to buy some medicine.
我需要买些药。
I need to buy some medicine.
I need to buy some medicine.
Where is the pharmacy counter?
Where is the pharmacy counter?
药房柜台在哪里？
Where is the pharmacy counter?
Where is the pharmacy counter?
Do I need a prescription for this?
Do I need a prescription for this?
这个需要处方吗？
Do I need a prescription for this?
Do I need a prescription for this?
Can I get this without a prescription?
Can I get this without a prescription?
我可以不用处方买这个吗？
Can I get this without a prescription?
Can I get this without a prescription?
I have a prescription from my doctor.
I have a prescription from my doctor.
我有医生的处方。
I have a prescription from my doctor.
I have a prescription from my doctor.
Can you fill this prescription?
Can you fill this prescription?
你能配这张处方吗？
Can you fill this prescription?
Can you fill this prescription?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
需要多长时间？
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
What medicine do you recommend?
What medicine do you recommend?
你推荐什么药？
What medicine do you recommend?
What medicine do you recommend?
Do you have something for a cold?
Do you have something for a cold?
你有治感冒的药吗？
Do you have something for a cold?
Do you have something for a cold?
I need something for a headache.
I need something for a headache.
我需要治头痛的药。
I need something for a headache.
I need something for a headache.
Do you sell cough syrup?
Do you sell cough syrup?
你们卖止咳糖浆吗？
Do you sell cough syrup?
Do you sell cough syrup?
I need some allergy medicine.
I need some allergy medicine.
我需要一些抗过敏药。
I need some allergy medicine.
I need some allergy medicine.
Do you have vitamins here?
Do you have vitamins here?
你们这里有维生素吗？
Do you have vitamins here?
Do you have vitamins here?
I am looking for painkillers.
I am looking for painkillers.
我在找止痛药。
I am looking for painkillers.
I am looking for painkillers.
Can I get some eye drops?
Can I get some eye drops?
我可以买些眼药水吗？
Can I get some eye drops?
Can I get some eye drops?
Do you sell bandages?
Do you sell bandages?
你们卖绷带吗？
Do you sell bandages?
Do you sell bandages?
I need a bottle of hand sanitizer.
I need a bottle of hand sanitizer.
我需要一瓶洗手液。
I need a bottle of hand sanitizer.
I need a bottle of hand sanitizer.
Do you have any ointment for burns?
Do you have any ointment for burns?
你有治烫伤的药膏吗？
Do you have any ointment for burns?
Do you have any ointment for burns?
I need some stomach medicine.
I need some stomach medicine.
我需要一些胃药。
I need some stomach medicine.
I need some stomach medicine.
Do you have sleeping pills?
Do you have sleeping pills?
你有安眠药吗？
Do you have sleeping pills?
Do you have sleeping pills?
Can I take this with other medicine?
Can I take this with other medicine?
这个可以和其他药一起吃吗？
Can I take this with other medicine?
Can I take this with other medicine?
What is the correct dosage?
What is the correct dosage?
正确的剂量是多少？
What is the correct dosage?
What is the correct dosage?
How many times a day should I take it?
How many times a day should I take it?
一天应该吃几次？
How many times a day should I take it?
How many times a day should I take it?
Should I take it before or after meals?
Should I take it before or after meals?
我应该饭前还是饭后吃？
Should I take it before or after meals?
Should I take it before or after meals?
Are there any side effects?
Are there any side effects?
有什么副作用吗？
Are there any side effects?
Are there any side effects?
Can children take this medicine?
Can children take this medicine?
儿童可以吃这个药吗？
Can children take this medicine?
Can children take this medicine?
Is this safe for pregnant women?
Is this safe for pregnant women?
孕妇可以安全服用吗？
Is this safe for pregnant women?
Is this safe for pregnant women?
How should I store this medicine?
How should I store this medicine?
我应该如何储存这个药？
How should I store this medicine?
How should I store this medicine?
Do you have this in liquid form?
Do you have this in liquid form?
这个有液体形式的吗？
Do you have this in liquid form?
Do you have this in liquid form?
Do you sell herbal medicine?
Do you sell herbal medicine?
你们卖中药吗？
Do you sell herbal medicine?
Do you sell herbal medicine?
Can I pay with my insurance card?
Can I pay with my insurance card?
我可以用医保卡支付吗？
Can I pay with my insurance card?
Can I pay with my insurance card?
How much does this medicine cost?
How much does this medicine cost?
这个药多少钱？
How much does this medicine cost?
How much does this medicine cost?
Do you have a cheaper option?
Do you have a cheaper option?
有更便宜的选择吗？
Do you have a cheaper option?
Do you have a cheaper option?
Can I buy only one tablet?
Can I buy only one tablet?
我可以只买一片吗？
Can I buy only one tablet?
Can I buy only one tablet?
Do you sell first aid kits?
Do you sell first aid kits?
你们卖急救包吗？
Do you sell first aid kits?
Do you sell first aid kits?
I need some disinfectant wipes.
I need some disinfectant wipes.
我需要一些消毒湿巾。
I need some disinfectant wipes.
I need some disinfectant wipes.
Do you have thermometers?
Do you have thermometers?
你们有体温计吗？
Do you have thermometers?
Do you have thermometers?
I need mosquito repellent.
I need mosquito repellent.
我需要驱蚊剂。
I need mosquito repellent.
I need mosquito repellent.
Can I get sunscreen here?
Can I get sunscreen here?
这里可以买到防晒霜吗？
Can I get sunscreen here?
Can I get sunscreen here?
Thank you for your advice.
Thank you for your advice.
谢谢你的建议。
Thank you for your advice.
Thank you for your advice.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。